In crmgrow, automations is going to be where we're going to build out the mechanics to automate certain processes within our product. Other ways people call these, like in KV Core, these are called smart campaigns, and other systems are called drip campaigns. So they go by a lot of different names. We call them automations. And there's a couple of things to go over, and we're going to try to cover it here at a high level. The first thing is that we need to, at some point, assign contacts to these. So you're going to have this automation, and if you want to assign a contact to them, you can click this little plus button here. And from here, you're going to just add your contacts. The other way to do it would be to click in the automation, and then you could assign it here as well. You could assign a contact to this automation. And then the other way to assign a contact to an automation is to go right into the contact card, and you can drop it down and pick your automation here, and then you'd hit play to actually activate it. And then if you're creating a new contact, you could actually select the automation while you're creating the automation, while you're creating the contact as well. So those are different ways to actually assign contacts to automations. The other thing you can do is you can share automations with your team. You can clone automations, and you can delete them. So if I want to just delete this automation, I'll just come over here and I'd hit delete. Now it's gone. Now, if there's an admin automation, you can't edit these. But what you could do is you could clone it. I'm just going to call this example demo. We're going to hit save. And now you can see this example demo is a copy of this one, and you can edit them once they are yours. So if there's ever an admin version of an automation that you want to edit, change, rename, or do anything to, you're going to want to clone it, rename it, and then you can go in there and edit it. For this example, I just want to create a quick automation for you guys. So you start here, and I'm just going to say demo automation. It's going to be the name of it. And you can see there's no contacts assigned to it. So for step one, I hit the little plus button. I'm going to send a material with an email. I'm going to just click this video of me, and I'm going to send it out immediately as soon as anybody's assigned to this. And I'm going to put something really cool for the subject. I'm going to put something really great for the body. I could also bring in a template if I wanted to, right? I could use tokens as well. So I could say, hi, contact first name, right, to make it a little more personable, and then we have our information. So I'm just going to insert that. Now what that does is it creates the video, and it sends it when a contact's added. What we want to do now is we want to check. It's called material review check. We want to check to see if this has been watched. And you can scroll out and in and move these around. So you've got an infinite board to work with here. So if they don't watch the video, I'm more concerned about the no paths because I want to turn them to yeses. So I'm always going to build my no's out first. So if they don't watch this video by email, I'm going to next send the same video by text. So I'm going to pick the same video, and I'm going to say if they don't watch the email and the video by email in 2 days, I'm going to say, hey, I know we're all busy, just sending this to you by text. I'm going to insert it. So we send an email, 2 days goes by, if they don't watch it, they get a text. I'm going to do another material review check. This time, I'm going to set a task. I'm going to set a phone call for either for me to call them or my assistant. I'm going to say call them. They didn't watch video by email or text. And I'm going to set the duration to about 4 days after, because the first 2 days is when we gave them for the email. We're going to give them another 2 days to watch it by text, and then we'll maybe drop it off on this Sunday. And we can insert it. And so this is a pretty easy flow. We send a video. If they don't watch it in 2 days, we send the video by text. If they don't watch it in 2 days, we or our assistant should be calling them. Now, if they do watch it, we could add whatever we wanted to. We could send more video, we could send an email, we can do whatever we need to do. And that's really it for automations. We don't want to make them too complicated. And eventually, in about 2 weeks, we're going to be able to call an automation from within an automation, and we're going to be able to add some more behavioral logic as well.